Hey everyone! Welcome back to another Tech Explainer. Have you ever heard someone talk about port numbers and thought, wait, what even is that? Maybe you've seen them pop up in error messages or heard IT folks mention them, and it just sounded like a bunch of random numbers. Today, I'm breaking it down for you using one of my favorite analogies, rooms and doors in a building. This will make it super easy to remember. Alright, picture this. Your computer is like a big building, maybe even like your school or office. Every building needs an address, right? That's your computer's IP address. It's how other computers know where to find you on the internet, just like a street address tells people where to find your house or school. IP address made up of 4 numbers, separated by dots, and each number is called an octet. But inside this building, there are tons of rooms. Each room is for a different department, a different program or service running on your computer. Think, one room for your web browser, another for your email app, maybe one for video calls, and so on. Each program gets its own room, so things don't get mixed up. Now, let's say someone wants to send a package to you. Maybe it's a letter or a delivery from a friend. The IP address tells the delivery person which building to go to. That's step 1, finding the right building among millions. But just the building isn't enough. The delivery person needs to know which room to drop the package at, or it might get lost. That's what a port number does. It's the room number. It tells your computer exactly which program or service should get the data. Without it, your package gets lost somewhere in the lobby. Or worse, never delivered at all. Imagine a pile of undelivered mail just sitting at the front desk with no idea where to go. Let me give you some real-life port numbers so you can see how this works in practice. For example, websites. Those use port 80. Whenever you visit a regular website, your browser is knocking on room 80's door. Secure websites, like when you see the little lock icon, that's port 443. That's the room for encrypted safe web traffic. Think of it as the room with extra security. Sending emails? That usually goes through port 25. So, your email app is using room 25 to send messages out into the world. And if you're logging into another computer remotely, you're probably using port 22. That's the room for secure remote access, like SSH. Just like room 101 might be for finance, and room 202 for HR, different ports are for different services on your computer. Each one has a specific job, and only the right kind of data is allowed in. So in a nutshell, the IP address gets the data to your device, the building. But the port number is what makes sure it gets to the right room, to the right program. Next time someone throws around port numbers, picture a building with lots of rooms and doors, each one leading to a different part of your computer. It's a simple way to keep everything organized and running smoothly. Now at the end, let's look at something you might have seen while coding or testing a web app. What does that mean? Here's the breakdown. Localhost just means your own computer. It's a shortcut for the IP address 127.0.0.1. 8000 is the port number. That's like saying, go to room 8000 on this computer. Thanks so much for watching. If this made things clearer, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns. I love making these topics easy for everyone to understand.